let's keep going with the font. Font is another part where every interesting part of Microsoft begins, because in the font you have everything available, and you can manage the style looking and all of that that's available in Microsoft Word. And I hope you really enjoy all of that. I'm gonna go with the brand new document because this is the old document that we are using, okay? And I'm gonna close it, okay? And I'm gonna close this again and open the Microsoft Word in here. And we're gonna say title and make it heading 2 and rand. There you go. I'm gonna keep save over that file because that file is really old. Replace existing file. Okay, this is it. Into the font, we have lots of cool stuff. For example, let me go with this paragraph. Each paragraph is our example. In here, you can manage any font you wanted. You can go with Times New font or some other font that are available in here. As you can see, I have installed some other font like Assistant Google font in here, and I will teach you how you can do that as well. So don't worry. So there you go. I have the size. I can manage the size. Let me just pick up the Assistant font, medium, and then go with the bigger one. For example, this one's 14. So that's the size. And also you can manage it using the increase font size or decrease font size. You can manage that as well from here. And from the keyboard, you can control shift, less bracket, less than sign, and it's go in and bigger sign. You can do that as well from here. And we also have the change case. You can have it as a sentence case, or lowercase, or uppercase, or capitalize each word, and toggle case. And the good thing is, you can understand each one of these from its own. So capitalize each word, as you can notice from each word, it's really capitalized. So that's how you can know that. It's very easy. And you can bold the text as well. You can have it as italic. Now let's make this italic. Italic, bold, italic, and underline. And let's make this straight through. So that's the management of font in here. And also you can make that superscript and really subscript and superscript. For example, you can do that. Okay, you can do this trick. I used to have this with my student, with my inches students. I'm gonna make this one. Make this one. Yeah, it looks nice. So you can have other examples as well, but this is not the number one example. Subtitle. Other thing you can do as well is in here, you come in here and you can manage, and you can have the style you want it. You can manage the outline of a text as well. And if you want to have, you can have even more weight, more dashes. You have also shadow that's available for you. You have your reflection. You have your glow, your numbered style, and you have this one, and you have this one. So it's way different than anything else you wanted, because you can see, you can test all of these things that are available for you, and you can see that, and you can manage them, the whole thing. You can manage the whole things. So in here we have also text highlighter. Okay, it highlights the text you want it. So you can say with yellow or some other text. And then you have also font managing. Okay, it changes the color of the font. So it says font color. So that is all about the things we have in here. But the one thing that it really missing to say is really clear all formatting. If you want to clear all formatting, so you select a part of text and you click in here. And all of a sudden, the text will be back again in the same time with the first version. So that's the whole thing. But one thing really might be you might thinking is how you can install font in here in this list. Well, it's very easy. I'm gonna find assistant font that I used to really I had one assistant font, okay, and right now I'm gonna go and find it. For example, I got this font from Google and I wanted to install to my PC. Of course, I already have it, but how you can do that in your own PC in order to have the font you really like to have and really not waste time. So the first thing first, it's into Zape. Okay, first thing first, where I got this font. I got it from the google.com, fonts.google.com. I downloaded, so you can download it as well. And the good thing is, it has the license of that you can use for your own version, of course. Uh, so you can use for own your digital product and iOS, web, and all of that. Uh, you can do that as well from here, and you can download the font you want as a zip, and then you'll have like this. I downloaded the same thing as a zip. So I'm gonna go in here. Now, if you are worried about license, so you cannot use it, you can use the license in here. This is the text, okay, and you can use how to use your into Google any other product. It says, please read the full license. Now this is the full license, OFL license. Copyright 2020 assistant font. So yeah, you can use it in your iOS and web, and also in your or Android phone version, okay, application ever. But if you don't have app, so you can use that as a personal, okay? So don't worry. All right, so let's go back and really install it. So there you go. This is the font. And there you go. You have the fonts. You can search the fonts in computer, and then it'll come up the fonts setting for you. And then once it comes out, so then you can drag and drop it. There you go, like this. You can install it in here. And for now, I have installed lots of fonts that like this, Arabic, and my language is like this font assistant to my PC. And you get the full license of that, and so there's no worry about it. Okay, so that's how you can install font in Google in your words. Okay, in this part, it's very easy, so don't worry. Okay, let's go with the font management in here, setting font settings. So you can see a lot of things in here. Okay, first you see complex script. Okay, you see Latin text you see in here. So this is Latin text setting. It means the languages that start from the beginning, from the left, like English. English starts from the left. So this is Latin text. And then down in here we have complex scripts. You can see right now we have complex script. And complex scripts are from left they are from right. So we write them from the right. We type them from the right. So it has two settings for us. Two settings where you can manage them to really see what they're doing. So font, and then font style it has size. So you can do that, and it's going to be default or not going to be default. And then complex script, you have complex script as well, like in here, like bold, size, all of that. And we have two languages, two different languages like Latin text and complex script. And we have alt text like font color, underline, and all of that is also available for us. And the good thing is you'll see the exact live preview down in here. let's leave them behind and like that. And also we can see all effect in here, like straight through, double straight through, superscript, small caps, all caps, and hidden. Okay, except hidden, there everything is clear for us right now. I hope you are, and I hope everything is clear for you as well. Hidden, well, text will hide the text. For example, let's hide this one. Video provides a powerful way. So I'm gonna go with the font and hidden. Hit OK. There you go. It hide. The text is hidden. Now, how to unhide it? You select all, you go back, and you uncheck mark the hidden. That's how you can bring it back. That's the hidden. We have so much more. One more thing, and that is set as default. Whenever you want to have some settings as a default, like maybe some about complex script or some Latin text, so you can make it as a default. Based on what? Based on this document or all document, based on new normal templates. So you can pick up anything you wanted. Okay, for example, this document only, or all document based on the normal document. So it depends on you really. So you can make that default or not. So that's the font setting we had in here. We have also advanced setting like scaling. Okay, you can scale the character spacing. You can have spacing also expanded or condensed. You have position also. We have cardinal for fonts. We have open type feature. Like these things are also available for us. Let's go with the style and editing menus and group really. So in the group we have in style we have the style of fonts available for us, like normal font, normal text, noise spacing text, heading 1, heading 2, and we have so much more editing in here as well. We have book title, we have intense reference, all of that is available for us to look nicer in the document. You can of course create a style, you can clear formatting as well, you can also apply style. Now you can create a style, you can click in here and you can name it, and then you can really you can do modify that, and then you can create the style you wanted, like style type in here, or style based on, or style of the following paragraph. There are a lot of options for you to make that even nicer, and the good thing is you have the preview of that available for you. Also, you have the tools available in here, so that thing looks nice and better in your preview and in your style. And you can also go to format, you can go to font, and you have the same settings in here, like font. And you can manage that. You can go with paragraph. Sorry, font. Let's go with the font. Let's go to font, and you can choose any settings for the complex script as well as the Latin text also in here. But if you want to change some current style, for example, you want to have some style over heading 3, so you can click on it, right click, and then hit modify. And then you can go to font. And then you can change that as well from here. Or you can change from this part. Look at the color sizing, all of that is available for you. Of course, we can change a lot of things like paragraph, tabs, border, language, frame, numbering, shortcuts, text. But all of that comes to the end of this course, because we have to learn a lot until to reach all of that, like border, like language, frame. So it takes time. For now, let's understand that there's font, and you can modify them, and you can create a new style, and that's it for now.